Hello everyone. So today we are going to pitch our project in front of you. Our team name is Harit Singh and Abhishek Singh. So first our problem. Next slide, please, Harit. Our problem description. The problem we have been trying to solve is the inconvenience encountered by the tourist going to a new city. We are planning to make an Android application for the user to make their trip hassle free and scheduled. The main feature of the app is to provide the places which is according to the user preferences and giving the shortest distance with time scheduling. Customers are the main consumer of this product.
Now for the proposed solution, the solution we provide gives the user the choice to select the places they want to visit, not the one that is famous. It also provides time scheduling and shortest distance features to make the experience even better. Now it takes the user preferences as the input and then lists out all the places based on the input and considers the user live location to measure the shortest distance to any of the places and schedules the overall time to make it organized and save time.
Now, the value proposition. The value proposition is the customer should support our app because there is no other application in the market to provide the feature that we do. Yes, we consider our customer opinion and preferences as the must. Means we give them the highest priority. Now everything that we provide is to make their experience more memorable.
Now for the target market and the opportunity. Target market of a product is the tourism sector and the tourists. Now opportunity to grab here are the lack of application in the market. That is the lack of the application that we are trying to make. With there is no this kind of application in the market, and the user preferences are not considered in any of the application that exist and are somewhat same to us. Now for the business model canvas, the key partners of our product model is tourist places, major food attraction of the city, and the Google Maps.
Now the key activities are the sorting places for user, shortest distance calculator, whereas the time scheduler.
Now for the key resources, the distance of the destination from the user, time, and the number of places based on the user preferences.
Now, the value propositions are it considers user preferences, saves user time by scheduling, hassle-free user interface to make great user experience, live customer support system, solve issue 24/7.
Now for the customer relationship, 24/7 helpline to provide assistance at any time, giving preferences control to give the right to choose to the user, scheduling to save user precious time, personal tour guide to make the experience more comfortable.
Now, channels for which will showcase by which will showcase our app. It will be done by four steps: advertisement, government tourism, portal, and digital awareness.
Now for the customer segments, the target customer of our product is foreign tourists, user with strict schedule, customer with specific preferences.
Now, the revenue stream. It will be divided into four parts: the revenue model, lifetime value, revenue, and the gross margin. The revenue model will be the total cost for making the app. Lifetime value will be lifetime profit for the from the customer, and revenue will be the total turnover from the product over the year. Whereas the gross margin, which we will get after subtracting the total cost.
Now for the cost structure, the customer acquisition cost is about 3,000. The distribution cost is 1,1824 rupees. Our hosting cost is 6,861 per month, and people etc. cost is 1.5 lakhs per year. Now the fund requirement of the proposed product is server to host the real-time database and APIs, registration of the application on the Play Store, development and the deployment of the app, and the maintenance of the application. This is roughly about the 5 lakh cost, which we have told in the revenue segment. This is a rough estimation, and we can't give you the precise cost because the various variables like the APIs we have to host in the cloud platforms and the database level we are going to use. Therefore, this is the rough estimate that we are going to use.